How to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck. Is your WhatsApp backup stuck at 0% or won't finish? Let's get it moving again. Slow networks delay backups. Test your speed and switch to Wi-Fi if mobile data is slow. Ensure you're logged into the right iCloud, iPhone or Google account on Android and that backup access is enabled. Go to WhatsApp, go to chats in the settings and go to chat backup and click on backup now. It helps to enhance the backup of WhatsApp chats. Backups won't run if cloud storage is full. Delete all backups or increase your storage plan. Force close WhatsApp, restart your phone and try with a backup again. Most times this resolves the glitch. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.